I am Mohanlal Perra from Study Guide. Today I am going to discuss recurring decimals. Any recurring decimal can be converted into a fraction. Since we know fractions are rational numbers, a recurring decimal is a rational number. Now we will see how we can convert recurring decimals to fractions. Since a recurring decimal can be written as extended form, that is, we can write all the decimals coming again and again. Then, depending on the number of digits which recurs, we multiply by 10, 100, so on. That is, if one digit comes again and again, we multiply by 10. If two digits comes again and again, we multiply by 100, so on. Now we have got two equations. We solve them as simultaneous equations. Now we will go into example 1. Convert 0.7 recurring to a fraction. We write x equals 0.7777, so on. Now since one decimal is recurring, we multiply it by 10. So we get 10x equals 7.777, so on. Then we subtract the second equation from the first equation. Now we get 9x equals 7. All decimals are removed. So x is equal to 7 divided by 9. So the recurring decimal 0.7 is equal to 7 over 9. Now we can move into the next example. Here we have 0.249. This 249 recurs in this case. If we write in the extended form, we get x equals 0.249, 249, 249, so on. Now we can see 3 digits are recurring. So what we do is we multiply this equation by 1000. Now we get 1000x equals 249.249, 249, so on. Now second equation is subtracted from the first equation. 999x is equal to 249. So x is equal to 249 over 999, which can be divided by 3. Now we get 83 over 333. So 0.249 recurring is 83 over 333. From these two examples, it is clear that any recurring decimal can be converted to a fraction. Since fractions are rational numbers, any recurring decimal is rational. Thanking you. This is presented to you by Study Guide.